Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently now and take a deep cleansing breath in. Hold it at the top and let it all the way out. And again, inhale deeply, filling your belly and chest. Pause for a moment, and then exhale slowly, like you're releasing a long sigh of relief. And with each breath, feel your body settling into stillness. And now, begin to imagine yourself beside a wide, gentle river. The air is fresh and cool, carrying the earthy scent of water and soil. The surface of the river glimmers with a soft light. It moves slowly, but endlessly forward. And the sound of the water soothes you, like a natural lullaby, reminding you to let go. And in your hands, you notice small stones. Each stone represents something that you've been holding on to. A worry, a regret, or even a thought that no longer serves you. So take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, gently place the first stone into the river, and watch as it sinks beneath the surface, carried away by the current and never to return. Feel your hand getting lighter, and feel your heart a little freer. And now, take another stone. This one may represent stress, or even a memory that feels heavy. So hold it just for a moment and acknowledge its weight. And now, with your next inhale, drop it gently in the river and see the stone disappear into the flowing water. So continue the process, stone after stone, breath after breath. And each time you release one, notice how the burden lifts. Notice how much lighter your body feels. Notice the relief that comes with letting go. Some stones may feel harder to release, and that's okay. Simply breathe with them. And when you're ready, trust the river to take them to. The river knows how to carry what you no longer need. And now, place your empty hand in your lap or by your side. Notice how they feel without the weight of the stones. Open, free and light. So turn your awareness inward and notice your chest. Notice your heart space. Does it feel more spacious now? Does it feel softer, freer? So take a few slow breaths here, inhaling deeply into the heart, and then exhaling slowly, releasing even more. And now, shift your perspective. Instead of only watching the river, imagine yourself becoming part of it. And you are flowing too. Your breath is rising and falling with the current. So inhale with the gentle pull of the water. And exhale with the release of the current. You are the river. You are the flow. And there is no resistance here. Only movement and only release. And if thoughts come, let them drift into the water like leaves. Just floating away without effort. And you don't need to control them. The river knows how to carry them. You just breathe and then let them go. Feel the peace that comes with surrender. Feel the freedom of releasing what no longer belongs to you. And you don't have to hold it all. You never did. So, for the next few breaths, simply rest here by the river, feeling light, spacious and at ease. Breathing in calm and breathing out release. In calm and out release. And now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the ground beneath you. The space around you. And take a slow breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then exhale, letting it all go at once. And when you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back slowly. And then gently open your eyes now. And remember, the river of letting go is always here. You can return to it at any time, anywhere, with just one breath and the willingness to release. Namaste.